DJM TV.
Wahala don burst inside Eastern Security Network. My correct person there, hello, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That's your one-stop channel where they give you all the gist as the things that they happen for inside our country, and where they give you the better details than what you need to know concerning any matter wey don shele for inside Nigeria and even around the world. Abeg, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and all other social media platforms where we dey on, like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Abeg, make you no forget to do that one. Now to the cocoa wey dey happen. UNC0MF0RTABL wey be the assistant to Nnamdi Kanu, I know that now, indigenous people of Biafra, those IPOB people, the guy don come outside, they threaten fire and brimstone, say he go make Eastern Security Network uncomfortable for Nnamdi Kanu unless they recognize him as the leader. Now you go dey ask yourself, say, who be UNC0MF0RTABL? I tell you something. UNC0MF0RTABL na be the guy wey been dey assist Nnamdi Kanu on top this IPOB matter. You understand? Nnamdi Kanu na be the leader. UNC0MF0RTABL na be the assistant. He dey operate the radio station. He dey, they make all the posts there for Facebook. In fact, na be the ginger Nnamdi Kanu, say any other leader of the IPOB he not know. Now let Nnamdi Kanu na be the #1 leader of IPOB. Kasala call boss. You understand? Kasala boss. The guy called come up for IPOB. In fact, many people for IPOB call it say, UNC0MF0RTABL resign. May resign with dignity. The guy na traitor. The guy that the backstab Nnamdi Kanu. The guy, in fact, they don't understand the way again. Whether he did for Nnamdi Kanu, be he did for Nigeria, they don't understand. Why they talk about this one? Because UNC0MF0RTABL they talk say he not the want hear wetin Nnamdi Kanu they talk say Oga Bubu don leg over. Say the guy dey for Abuja na the fake guy. You understand? So what Nnamdi Kanu go talk say the person you have in Aso-Rock is not real Oga Bubu, is a fake Oga Bubu you bring from the other side. You know that matter. UNC0MF0RTABL was supposed to say yes. Wetin my Oga talk na true. UNC0MF0RTABL go talk say no. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, why you go talk that kind of word? The person dey for there na the real Oga Bubu, and then like this kind of way they do. Are you no say for any association and wash hand, na hand till they clean? When the leader they talk one, assistant was supposed to say yes, because they talk say no. Matter they always happen. The thing they make sense at all. Oga UNC0MF0RTABL also come as I got to say the things the way Oga Nnamdi Kanu they talk say make Nigeria not do. That be the things wey be say Oga Nnamdi Kanu they won't do for inside IPOB. For example, matter of religion. Oga Nnamdi Kanu they want to say make everybody first put head for only one religion. In case you don't know, Oga Nnamdi Kanu na Jew. No be Christian. So get Christian, Muslim, traditional religion. Some of them know say get one other religion where they call Jewish religion. Oga Nnamdi Kanu na Jew. So it's like Oga Nnamdi Kanu they want everybody for IPOB to be Jew, and then Oga UNC0MF0RTABL say no, that kind of matter that wetin dey happen for inside in Nigeria where they say no more break away from Nigeria, all this religious intolerance, ethnic cleansing, all those matter make as they want to say okay we dey fight for Biafra, so they no want make all those kind of thing dey for inside their Biafra. Make everybody dey free to use any religion wey they want use. Anyway they want to talk to God, may they talk to God in their own way. Now wetin UNC0MF0RTABL the talk. Well, kasala boss, UNC0MF0RTABL resign. He don resign now. Oga Nnamdi Kanu dey come form the Eastern Security Network. Eastern Security Network na paramilitary and regional wings of the indigenous people of Biafra wey dey form to protect the people for the east from herdsmen wahala and all those herdsmen and farmer clash dem. And they take form the Eastern Security Network. If you remember well, you will know say we don tell you before say the people wey for this ESSO, they dey comb all the bushes for the east. They make sure say kasala no dey burst. And for the past how many weeks wey dey form, so no be small thing don dey happen. They don inside bush, they don do many things, they don pursue many people. You know how the matter be now. Some people don come outside and talk say since they form this Eastern Security Network, the east got dey relatively safe. The matter don dey sweet, e don dey sweet. People don say this ESN dey make sense. Oga UNC0MF0RTABL don come outside talk say e go make Eastern Security Network uncomfortable until they make am the leader of Eastern Security Network. You don hear that kind of matter before? He go make everything. In fact, he don tell Oga Nnamdi Kanu, say all this Oga Nnamdi Kanu dey send a threat message, say go kpai am, all this kind of matter. Oga Kanu forget that matter. As he dey like so, he be spirit already. He don poof for not be today. He poof. He don tell when he poof, and any Oga Nnamdi Kanu want her, he go give her to her. As he dey fear to kpai, you know that kind of matter now. He say all this. He say he go make sure say all the lies and blackmails against the innocent not repeat itself again. The same way wey Nnamdi Kanu and the people dey package am against people. You see the matter wey dey happen. So the guy dey come out and I come like say e don dey blow some kind breeze, some kind places don dey wan open o. Say dey package lie, dey blackmail people inside the east. So on top this Eastern Security Network matter, he say go make sure say dey happen, and as such e go make Eastern Security Network very uncomfortable. In fact, e go make the place hot for Oga Nnamdi Kanu unless they recognize am as leader of Eastern Security Network. E don ready o. I don't know how person wey don resign comot for IPOB wan take come back come become leader of Eastern Security Network. Something dey for this thing, another thing dey for the matter. I know say they say house wey dey divided against itself, e no dey stand. You know that kind of matter. This one say don dey get their own internal kasala don dey burst inside their within themselves now. The thing na wow, we no know how e go come be. I sure say some people just sit down now dey laugh. Say see them o, may they scatter their house, we dey look there, we go deal with them later. You say shook mouth on this matter, how you see am? E dey right to Oga UNC0MF0RTABL after he don comot for IPOB to come back to say make dem make her the leader of Eastern Security Network. Shook mouth for the matter. Drop your comment for the comment section, we go dey read am. Meanwhile, don't forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update, where we dey give you the better yarn is the abeg. If you never subscribe, as you dey look at, so just touch that subscribe button, and then make you knack that bell, touch the bell. Go anytime we drop video, you go make kpaka new video don come like this, so that you say go there among the first people to know wetin dey sup for inside our country. Well, me will bring you this news. So my name never change. My name is still Favor, and I dey tell you say house wey dey divided against itself no go fit stand. Na corporation na make pot of rice full. Agree to now.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.